Hello. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of information regarding Hikvision's Acusense technology. It's available on the NXI version of the recorders, and I'm now going to show you a couple of ways to enable it and disable it. The first method is via the local monitor. So we get a local monitor up and we right mouse click, go into the menu. We may have to put our pattern in or our password. Go straight over to configuration. Down here on the left-hand side is Intelligent Search and then Acusearch, and it's currently enabled, but I need to turn it off. So you click Apply, and it's as simple as that. That's that configured. If we want to do it across the network, we need to get a local browser. With the local browser, it may be handy for you to get the SADP tool and get the local IP address of the recorder. Simply, if I double click, we'll get to log in, and if I log in to the local browser interface, we can have a look at the information over here. And down under Event Center, there is a VCA configuration, and click on the engine settings there, and that's where we can enable and disable the feature. So if you're experiencing any issues, that might help. It's also recommended you go and get the latest firmware for your recorder. Best way to do it is system configuration, get your model number, check your firmware version, and if need be, nip over to Hikvision's website, and under the resources tab, you'll find that there's a firmware version there available for you to download, and that's highly recommended. And that's it for today. Thank you very much.